Hello students. Now today's sociologist is Emile Durkheim. According to Durkheim, the subject matter of sociology is the study of social fact that was different from the other sciences. Like most of the natural sciences, it was to be in empirical discipline. Division of labor is the specialization of work tasks by means of which different occupations are combined within a production system. This is the theory of Emile Durkheim, which is most common and very natural that was found in that time of European society. And most of the scholars were trying to understand the socio-economic structure of the society, and on the basis of their views and thoughts they had written a lot of about this socio-economic structure. And the main theory or the concept that was given by Emile Durkheim was the social solidarity. And according to this social solidarity, in the society there is the division of two categories on the basis of work or occupations. The one is called the mechanical solidarity and the next is called the organic solidarity. And one by one I am trying to explain the differences between the mechanical solidarity and organic solidarity. The first difference is that mechanical solidarity existed in pre-industrial society, while the organic solidarity is existed in the industrial solidarity. Agriculture was the main occupation and all the work was labor intensive in the mechanical solidarity, and this is based on the mechanics or the day by day working capacity and working power of the human beings. And this was the common feature of the ancient societies of the world, mechanical solidarity. And especially this was found in the agriculture and the animal domestication fields. While the organic solidarity mainly occupies in the work of the organizations like the industries or factories. And the next difference between mechanical and organic solidarity is that mechanical solidarity existed in small population like the villages or smaller towns or the tribal groups where people are living very close to each other. And while the organic solidarity is existing in the large populated areas like the big towns or the metropolitan cities or the urban areas. Next difference is that social relationships are more personal in the mechanical solidarity, while social relationships are more impersonal in the next category of the solidarity, that is organic solidarity. Next feature, next difference, the society is person oriented in mechanical solidarity, while the society is goal oriented in the organic solidarity. Relationships between the members are intimate, close, and direct in the mechanical solidarity, while the relationships are neither intimate nor close, but these are only the formal in the organic solidarities. And you can see easily in your family or neighborhood, the relations are very closer, while in the working field like the industries, factories, or any organization just as the schools or parliament, the relations are not very close and familiar, intimate. These are just the formal type, means the relations are only uh, still until the people are at their working places or their organizational fields. The next difference in the mechanical solidarity is that the people have common interest Means in mechanical solidarity, like in the villages, towns, or the rural areas or tribal groups, the people are very common. People have the common interest. Their interest, likings, or their daily life is very close to each other, and all the features are most of the common between them. While in the organic solidarities, in the big metropolitan cities, the people have selfish aims. They are just coming in this organic solidarity unification for their completion of the aims or objectives. And the last feature or difference between these mechanical and organic solidarity is that in mechanical solidarity, no formal code of conduct. You can see in your neighborhood, your village, or the local areas that there is no formal code of conduct. Means the formalities are not compulsory or needed. While in the organic solidarities or these well-defined organizations, institutions, the detailed code of conduct is uh, needed, and all the members must have to follow this code of conduct. Just like when you are coming into the schools, you have to follow the rules laws of the schools, or you are going or coming in the parliament or any assembly, then you must have to follow the rules laws while you are inside the assembly or parliament. So these were the differences between the mechanical solidarity and the organic solidarity, and with the next topic we will meet in next video. Thank you.